Lately, I have been thinking about what it feels like to be in your late 20s. Friendship feels easier. Second is career. Third is relationships. Fourth is independency. The fifth one is the pressure of having it all figured it out. Hi guys, this is Jayashree and this is my second video. Today I just wanted to sit down and talk about life. It's gonna be a chill conversation. Lately I have been thinking about a lot what it feels like to be in your late 20s. I am 28-year-old. It is honestly a very strange but interesting phase of my life. And when we are younger, we imagine that everything will be figured it out by our late 20s, and we think that we'll have stability, clarity, and a full proof plan for our future in our late 20s. But it's not like that, and I feel it is not a lot talked about. So, today I just thought to talk about it, which I have been noticing and realizing in my life. First is friendships. What I have realized is how friendships change over time. When we are younger, friendship feels easier. We have same routine, same school, same hobbies, so it's comparatively easy to make friends. But as we grow older and in our late 20s, everyone start thinking about their life. They start building their life. So for that reason, some might move out, some might change country only. So people evolve and friendship evolve with time, and it gets little sad, but when you really think about it, the friendship which stays are more meaningful and have deeper connection. Second is career. Career is very important part of our life. When we are younger, we study hard and then we build a career around that, and then we get a job, we do that job. But in later part, we start asking real questions. Do I really like what I do? What kind of lifestyle I want? Can I do this job for a lifetime? And these kind of questions haunt us. And right now I am a visual designer, but I switched my career when I was 25-year-old, and I was in academics, was working in a government job sort of, but I switched my career because it was not aligning with my dreams and what type of life I want. So I switched my career, built this career of my own, starting from scratch. Third is relationships. Relationships start feeling very different in your late 20s. Now you are not dating casually. Now you are dating to get married. Now you are looking for someone who's compatible, who's emotionally mature. You look for values that align, and it gets very difficult at this phase to find someone you want to spend your rest of life with. And I feel relationship teaches us a lot about ourselves, our needs, our boundaries, our self-worth, and the type of love we deserve. So relationships are also very crucial part of our late 20s. Fourth is independency. In our late 20s, you really understand what independency is, and you start making your own lifestyle, have your own routines, have your home environment designed according to you, because now you get to live by your own self. And I have recently moved to this new flat, and most of the times my flatmates are not there, so it's almost like living alone. And now I am figuring out how to be with myself and enjoy my own company and take care of myself and have systems in place to keep my life going. And I love that part of independency, where I get to do what I want to do. That's the best part about becoming an adult, and you're in your late 20s, you realize how independency makes you as a person. The fifth one is the pressure of having it all figured it out, and it is the biggest of them all. The pressure of having everything perfect. You should have perfect career, perfect relationship, perfect social life, perfect finances. Everything needs to be perfect, and it is so difficult. And honestly, everyone is trying their best to figure themselves out. It is the phase to figure it out, and everyone has a different timeline. And I believe life does not have to be perfect to be meaningful. Right now, this phase is teaching me patience, and I am focusing on small steps, having good habits, having a routine, taking care of myself, and becoming who I always wanted to become. I definitely not have everything figured it out, but I'm working on it. I am trying, learning, and getting better every day. And if you are in your late 20s and you feel confused about life sometimes, know that you are not alone, and we all are figuring it out as we go. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next diary entry. Bye.